Everybody was supposed to
Well,
meet
I
us.
keep hearing, like,
Hotel?
this is things I have to do this one.
No more talking.
Good morning, Mrs. S. How are you?
Good. Did you make it to the staff meeting today?
I didn't. I was at Sunnyside this morning.
Maybe Mrs. L and Mrs. Clark were there. Maybe they can help us.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe they know what happened. Good morning.
Awesome. They're both here.
Yes. How was your evening?
Can you tell us what happened at the staff meeting this morning?
We both didn't make it. Did they not go either? Did you guys go? You don't know what happened?
Mrs. Dorsch, I have a question about math today. Lesson 8 in Eureka. I'm not really sure which algorithm I should really focus on because there's so many different algorithms. What are you going to do? Which one are you going to do, Mrs. Dorsch? Which ones?
Oh, yes! You did it! Yes!
I'm so frustrated. I keep calling Mrs. Dorsch, Mrs. Cotter, Miss Miller. No one's answering my questions. I ask them questions over the phone and they don't even respond.
You know, something similar happened with Mrs. Miller. I had called her and asked her to send me Miss Ferrari, and she didn't respond to anything I said, but she did give her the message and send her to the office. Then when Miss Ferrari got here, she didn't say anything. It was really odd.
Hey, what's up? What's going on? You feel okay? You having a bad day? The kids being mean to you again? No, you gotta use your words. You gotta let me know what's going on. Do I have to call your mom and let her know?
Your attention, can I have all staff report to the gym to practice the school song? All staff to the gym to practice the school song.
Everyone here at the Hill School makes a difference, big or small.
You guys don't even sing.
Look at Miss Petroselli. She isn't even talking to her students. I don't understand. I don't either. Let's see if any other teachers are talking.
I haven't heard anyone yet.
It looks like the kids are working, but Mrs. Lucier is not talking.
She's not talking at all.
At least the students work hard.
I'm so confused.
Let's go check another class.
Okay.
Try Mrs. A's room.
She's right at the door. And she misses us.
She's not talking either.
And she's not even looking at us.
I don't understand.
I don't get this.
I don't either.
Miss Nappy? I was wondering if you could talk to me. I'm just feeling frustrated. I got to school the other day. I was a little late. I missed the meeting, and since then, no one's really been talking to me. I ask questions, no one responds. I talked to Mrs. Holmes, and she actually talked to me a little bit, but she seems to be having the same problem. I tried talking to Mrs. L and Mrs. Clark, and they were like totally ignoring us. I went on the stage. We had to sing the school song. A few of us started singing. Only like 3 of us started singing. It was quite embarrassing. Dr. Z was frustrated too. So I'm just trying to figure out why people are not talking. You know, it was a day I was late. There was a staff meeting. Did something happen at the staff meeting? I'm so glad a teacher that talks to us.
I know. Seriously, you're like the only one. No one's talking to us.
I don't know why.
I don't either. I did talk to Miss Nappy, and she didn't answer me, but I think it's something that happened at the staff meeting, the one we missed.
That's not like her not to talk. Interesting. Huh. Well, yeah.
Well, Mrs. Graybars, I was wondering if I could borrow a book on Claude Monet from you. Is that okay?
Absolutely.
Excellent.
Maybe somewhere in the M bin, I'm thinking that it could be. All right,
I'll
help
take
yourself.
a look.
Sure.
Thank you.
Oh, that one did good.
That's not
They did well.
Very well.
Hey,
yeah.
wait a minute. Look at what I found.
Huh.
I wonder if we read this book, if this will give us some answers why no one is talking.
That's a great idea.
Huh.